So what does Canva, Printify, and Del Monte stewed tomatoes have in common? Well, if you blend them all together, you can create stunning all over print t-shirts that can sell for your business. Hey, this is Anthony from Rockin' Prints, and thanks for watching this video. On this channel, I provide you walkthrough tutorials from graphic design to print on demand, digitizing images for heat pressing t-shirts and embroidery. Today, we are going to talk about all over prints and the benefit to utilize these to help you generate sales for your customers that specifically like all over prints. I'm going to make two images. One, as you can see, the Del Monte stewed tomatoes, something funny. And then the other one, we're going to go to my favorite topic, and I like skulls, so we're going to go ahead and make a skull all over print, and I'm going to show you how they look in the design tool using Printify. So stick around to the very end to get the full benefit to this tutorial. And if you find value in this video, please give me a thumbs up, as it's going to help support my channel out tremendously. So with that, let's go ahead and get this started. All right, so first things first is we are going to do the funny t-shirt, and we're going to look up Del Monte tomatoes. So what I did was I went to Google and I just grabbed one, and I selected that, and then I just clipped it. So I used my snipper tool and I clipped it, and then I just copied and pasted it. Now, considering this is just for video purposes only, I wouldn't recommend that you go out and go make you some shirts like this and start selling them, because you might get sued. Okay, so please don't do that. This is just solely for my video only to show you how you can get creative to do all over print t-shirts. Okay, so we're just going to go ahead and click on here, and then we're just going to click we're just going to copy and paste, and then from here I'm just going to select my background remover. We're going to move the black. All right, then I'm just going to blow this up just like that. Okay, and that's all we're going to use for this t-shirt. So I'm just going to click share. We're going to download this bad boy, hit the transparency. And if you don't have Canva, stop the video and go get you some Canva right now so you can follow along with this tutorial. All right, so then we're just going to hit download, and then once it's downloaded, we're just going to drag and drop that on my computer, and we should be good to go. Okay, and then next thing we're going to do is we're going to jump on over to Printify. Now, Printify is a great platform if you don't have your own equipment, okay, and you want to sell other products and you want other people to make the products for you. Printify is a powerhouse that will allow you to throw your designs onto their product and start making sales for you. And if you haven't seen any of my videos, I would recommend that you go back and look up the videos for Printify, and the ones that I did on how to use Printify. Those are some great videos that'll give you an explanation more in depth how you can use Printify for your advantage when you don't have the capability with the equipment. Okay, so now let's go ahead and jump into Printify. We're going to click on this bad boy, and then we are going to select all over prints here. So we're going to go to, then we're going to go to my catalog. We're going to click on t-shirts, and we are going to look for the t-shirt that is all over print. So here's one right here, this unisex cut and sew tee. All right, and it's going for $16. We can go ahead, and that's really not so bad. All right, and then it's made in America. We're just going to start designing it. So they're offering two colors, and that, I believe that's the trim only. Okay, so we're going to click on it, and you should have a variety of different colors. Yep, I was right. And then all we're going to do is we are just going to grab that Del Monte tool, grab that Del Monte image, and we're going to slap this bad boy on it. Okay. And then here's the cool part. So all we're just going to do is we're going to make sure that we cover the whole t-shirt. Okay. And we're just going to bring this back up just like that. All right, let's bring it down just some right there. So all we're doing is just trying to get it to cover the whole t-shirt. Okay. And make sure that's centered. And then what we're going to do is we're going to click on it, and then we're going to hit apply to all areas. Okay. And then if you want, you can change the color just in case if there's some, we want the trim right here to be black, so it kind of matches with the green. All right. And then we're going to go ahead and hit print preview. And then now it'll generate a bunch of mock-ups for you. Look at how cool that looks. Okay. Now, believe it or not, you won't, so believe it or not, there are people out there that like this type of stuff. Okay. So to your benefit, you can use your algorithm to attract those type of people, and you can start marketing your videos to attract them and help you make sales, okay, through your social media. So, and then also you have your features that can actually show them what the whole printout looks like through Printify's option mockup view. All right, so you can see right there, there's the front, and here is the back of the shirt. And then you can see the cool sleeves on the side, okay? And that's how you do it. So all you need to do now is just mark your percentage of profit that you want with Printify and start selling today. Okay, so let's go back to Canva and let's create a skull t-shirt. So we're just going to go to elements, and we're going to click on this skull with the rose. And I'm going to take this one. I'm just going to copy. I'm just going to copy them, and I'm just going to go to all four corners here. Okay. And we'll do it again. Okay. And then now what I'm going to do is I am going to bring one in the center. All right. And then we're going to look for crown. I'm going to look for a crown. And I'm just going to drop it down. All right. And then I'm just going to copy and paste again. I'm going to make 4 of them. And I love using Canva because it'll tell you exactly where you can position them and the way it's positioned from the other side. If you can look at it, it's 228, and I got 228, and I'm at 165 on top to bottom. So I am like dead center from everything around me. Okay, here let's bring this down more towards the center. All right, and then let's re-download that. All right, now what we're going to do is we're going to apply to all areas. Okay, and then we're going to hit preview. And check that out. How cool is that? Now you can make good profit with something like this. You can sell it from $30 all the way to $60. Okay, just by using the all over print feature that can help you market your item. Okay, and then you can utilize the mock-up features with Printify, and you can use this for your advantage to help you sell. Okay, look at that. Look at how cool that looks from the back. All right, okay, and then once you're done here, all you do is just save your product, and then you can select your mock-up viewer, how you want it to look on your website. So when people open your website, this will be the first image that they see. Okay, so you can just select anyone. Okay, there you go. All right, and then you just hit publish. Okay, and then also what you want to do is you want to select your profit. You can go down here to select your profit. Now at 40%, you get a profit of $10.68 to $11.57. That's not bad. So think about it. If you start selling one of these, that's what you'll make. What if you made 10 of these? Okay, times that by 10. Okay, now you see where the money's coming in. Okay, And that's it. That's something simple that you can use to your benefit by using Canva, Printify, and great images with Canva, and then add them to Printify's all over print t-shirts, and you can start making sales and generate customers for your business. And that's it, everybody. Something as simple as that can help you generate sales for your business. So all you have to do is start marketing your videos that will attract those customers who love all over prints, and you can start making sales for your business. So with that, thanks again for watching. And if you found value in this video, please remember to give me a thumbs up and also leave a comment. I would love to hear your feedback. What do you do for your all over prints, and how do you use it to your benefit through your social media? You have a blessed week and a blessed day, and we'll see you guys back on my next video next week, and peace.